Welcome. Today in front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap here on the sound and vibration section. Here you'll see the silent mode switcher. Just to activate it, you should click once on the switcher, and to turn it off you should click on the switcher again. Now you can see that when the silent mode is turned on, the ringtones and notifications, they are muted. When you will turn it off, they will ring again. So the second way how you can activate the silent mode, you should swipe the ringtone volume panel just to the left side, and now we can see that the silent mode automatically is turned on. If you want to turn it off again, just unmute the ringtone volume and silent mode is turned off. Also, we have the third way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel, and here on the top bar you should find the silent mode icon. Now just to activate the silent mode, click here only once on this icon, and that's it. If you want to turn it off, you should click on this icon again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.